Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Infinitipro by Conair curl secret. Now I cannot curl my hair for the life of me. I don't know which way to hold the curling iron. I don't know which way to put my hair in. Now what I do know is that more than likely I will burn my neck or my fingers. But this hair curler makes it so you do not burn your neck, you do not burn your fingers, and it does all the work for you. So all you have to do is take a small section of hair, clamp the curler down, and it's going to pull it in and then pop out a beautiful curl. So if you want to see somebody who can't curl hair finally curl hair, and if you want to learn all about this Infinitipro by Conair, then first, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And then, sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I got the Infinitipro from Target for $69.99. Now you can also get it from Amazon for the same price, but if you want to get it for way cheaper, you can get the same thing for $44.99. It's just going to be in a different color of either gray or pink. So to use the curler, there's going to be a side that you will put towards your head, and then the other side is labeled do not. So pretty simple to know which way to hold it. And then you're going to take a chunk of hair, put it in the curler, clamp it down, and you're going to hear it automatically roll the hair up. And as it's doing that, it is curling your hair. And then you'll hear a beep, and then you'll hear that it stops rolling. So that is when you're going to unclamp it, and out pops a beautiful curl. Now it's very important that the hair that you put in has been brushed and free of snarls. Because if it's not, it can get caught in the curler, and then you got to give it a tug, and then you're going to kind of see that it's kind of ratted up and snarled up. So be very careful. Make sure the hair is nice and straight and nice and brushed out before you put it in. Another key to using this product is not putting in too much hair, because if you do, it will not curl. So here I am. I keep putting in too much hair, and as you see, nothing's happening. When you hear it beep multiple times, that is the telltale sign that you've got too much hair in there and it's not going to work. So there is different heat settings. There is low and high, and then 8, 10, 12. So if you have thinner hair, I would suggest going on a lower heat setting. If you have thick, coarse hair like mine, then crank it all the way up. Also, if you want a looser curl, then I would go on a lower heat setting. So here I'm doing a looser curl to show you what it can look like. So here is the final look with the looser curl, and I think it looks great. So to make tighter curls, you're going to put in smaller amounts. So that's what I'm doing here. I am taking a very small amount of hair and putting it in and clamping it down, and you can see the tighter curl that is coming out. So I just realized that, oh man, I still got a long way to go with all this hair. So there you have it. Now I really wanted to do my whole head and show you a finished product, but when I was curling my hair, it was 8 o'clock at night, my back hurt, my head hurt, and man, it was taking a long time because I've got a lot of hair. So that is the one disadvantage of this product. If you have long, thick hair, you have to do it in small little chunks. So it is going to take forever. Here's a glimpse of what it looks like when your whole head is curled. Here is my daughter where I curled her hair, and I think it looks great. So if you're looking for a curler that's simple, safe, and requires no technique, then this product is for you. Well, thank you for watching this video, and as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video.